Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to add Qudbits to Trust Wallet. First, launch your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once it's open, look for the Add Tokens button, which is typically found at the bottom of your main screen. Tap this button to proceed. From there, you'll need to select the option to add a custom token, as Qudbits might not be listed by default. This will allow you to manually enter the necessary information. Now, you'll need to find the official Qudbits token contract address. It's crucial to use a reliable source for this information, such as CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, to avoid any errors. Search for Qudbits on one of these platforms to navigate to its dedicated token page. Once you've found it, carefully copy the exact contract address. This unique identifier is essential for adding the token correctly to your wallet.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth *. It offers fantastic financial insights that can benefit anyone. You can find a link to the book and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Back in your Trust Wallet, paste the Qudbits contract address you just copied into the designated contract address field. In most cases, the token's name, symbol, and decimals will automatically populate once the address is entered. This is a good sign that you have the correct information. Always take a moment to double-check that these auto-filled details are accurate before moving on to the next step. After verifying all the token details, tap the Save or Done button to finalize adding Qudbits to your Trust Wallet. You should now see Qudbits listed among your other cryptocurrencies on the main wallet screen. With the token successfully added, you can now seamlessly send, receive, and view your Qudbits balance directly within your Trust Wallet. It's that simple to manage your custom tokens.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.